Izihlobo nabangani zibuthana enkonzweni yomncabo kaTiego Moseneke ebanjele ePitoli. Okhulumela abangani uSolmotuba uchaza Moseneke njengomuntu obekwazi ukuxhumanisa abantu enothando.
One of the most significant things about him was his ability to mix with people from all walks of life, from Peli to Plaid, rich or poor. Moseneke always reached out and made time.
Unkosikazi kaMoseneke evalelisa kumyeni wakhe uthe wamthanda ngosuku lokuqala embona futhi uyohlala emthanda njalo.
I love him. I've always loved him. From the day I first met him, he made me that my stomach literally was hurting. And then I told him at the end of that party that we had attended with friends, I'm going to marry you. I did. I was really ashamed, and I thought if my mother found out, I would deny it. But I did. I said to him, I'm going to marry you. And he looked at me and he said, I'm not a marrying type. That was 32 years ago.
Iphini likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile ethula inkulumo emncwabeni uthe elakuleli lahlekele umuntu obekhaliphile nobesebenzela umphakathi.
We have lost a great mind, a servant of the people, a true revolutionary and a giant and a gallant freedom fighter. Someone who was forever measured both in thought and speech. Those of us who sat in the shadow of his wisdom will never forget him for this clear intellectual inability to assess any situation to provide a lasting solution.
Phakathi kwabanye abathemele lenkonzo yomncwabo kubalwa wengumengameli uHlalima Motlanthe, undunankulu waseGauteng uBhanyaza Lesufi kanye nomholi we-EFF uJulius Malema. uMoseneke ushone engozini yemoto ngoLwesithathu lwesonto elidlule.